Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix when you try to access one of the shared folder on your home LAN or company network. You may encounter the following error. Let's fix it guys. For that, this error, the computer from which the drive or folder, go to that computer, right click on the drive or folder. You just want to go to File Explorer and right click on the drive or folder that has been shared. Right click on it, select Properties, select Security tab and select Edit. Select the Add option over here, select it and type here everyone, EVERYONE. Click on Check Names, click on OK and click on everyone again. You just need to select everyone and select full control option, check mark it and select apply and OK. After doing it, click on OK. Now you just want to go to the client computer from where you get this error and you want to access the shared drive or folder. Try to access, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.